Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will be doing a cash stuffing for my paycheck number 1 for the month of June. As always, I will start with how much is my actual income for this week, and I'm very happy because I have two sources of income for this paycheck right now, and hopefully magiging ongoing pa siya or continuous po siya. So, if you noticed, so for my income for my full-time job, I have like more of 500 compared to my budgeted. And then for this one, TikTok guys, hindi po ito TikTok na ibig sabihin is monetize na ako sa TikTok. It's TikTok affiliate marketing po. So yes, isa na po akong TikTok affiliate. So meaning nambubudol po ako sa mga maraming pera. At glad to say, meron naman akong nabudol guys. So actually, yung na-receive ko talaga, it's 2,800, 2,000 plus. But since I have to purchase another item na naman para may mabudol ako sa mga nakikinoon sa aking mga videos is that's around or that's worth 700. That's 700 guys. So yun. So, kaya naging 1,600. But that's okay kasi clean na itong 1,600 ko dito. As in, meron talaga akong na-receive. So, for this paycheck, meron tayong 15,100 na total income. Actual total income, guys. So, alright. So, this income goal. Okay, so if you notice guys, talagang nag-evaluate ako. So before we dive into my cash stuffing, so let me just share with you guys. Last night, talagang nag-into dive in ako kung bakit kulang-kulang talaga yung ano ko. Parang meron pa talaga akong mga borrowed. As for example, ito. So saan ba ako nagkulang? So ito yon. Dito ako nagkulang. So kasi, kinompute ko kung magkano talaga yung daily fare ko. Including sa aking mga anak when we go to school. So, yung daily fare ko, Monday to Friday, this is around 100 pesos. Minax out ko na. Actually, 95 lang ata, pero minax out ko na lang siya to be sure. And then, for the food, yung expenses namin is 150. So, meron akong daily expenses na dapat 250. Now, yung budgeted ko dito na yung food allowance na 2K, hindi talaga siya magiging enough kasi you notice week 1, so starting na siya, ano ba tayo ngayon? Yeah, week 1. Meron kasing 3 weeks before my next payout, so yun binudget ko na. So yung week 1 ko, I will be having a budget of 1,000. So that's 4 days. And then week 2 is 1,250 as well as the week 3 1,250. So dapat yung allocated allowance budget ko dyan, it's 3,500. So, we will see, guys. We will see. Yun nga. So, by the way, if you notice, meron ako ditong income goal. Just to remind myself na to be financially freedom, dapat every 15 of the month, nag-i-income ako ng 30K. Para masabi ko sa sarili ko na I am financially stable, I have an income of this 30K that can suffice my savings goal and as also my expenses, guys. Right now, I'm around 15,000, so I'm halfway there. So hopefully, ma-monetize din ang ating YouTube channel para another source of income din tayo, diba? So 30K ang aking income goal. So just to remind myself na I have to keep working. Yung last video ko na about savings na super dramatic ko kasi talagang I'm in my lowest part of my life na walang movement. So, I'll just keep looking forward sa aking income goal para makapag-put up ako ng savings. So, wala na tayo pa kura-kurada dyan. Let's start with our debt. So, for our debt, we have 3,600 So, for that guys, let me just explain. So, meron akong ring, 15,821. For the CP, 1375. Tapos, yung bag na na-purchase ko, nasulat ko sa card ko, I have to set aside 450. And, nakautang din ako ng 200 sa aking envelope dito kasi na-short po talaga ako last time. So, honestly speaking, na-short ako and I need to borrow from my money. So, 3,600 for my debt. So, 1, 2, 3, 5, 600. So, next is mamaya na tong savings. I have grocery. So, nakikita ninyo, meron pa yung amount dyan because hindi ko pa siya na-move sa aking kabilang envelope, which is sa credit card envelope ko. So, I have a budget of 1,500. So, last time, yung grocery namin is 1,300. So, good thing kasi I'm still within the range of 1,500. Now, I have a public transportation of 1K here. And then, Beko, 1K. There we go. And then, for the vitamins, makikita nyo din sa vitamins natin, meron pa din dyang pera dahil hindi ko pa din na-transfer. So, maybe, sa next video natin is how I do my credit card transactions na naman, guys. So, let's have Mamshi. So, yung mother-in-law ko na kailangan ding bumili ng mga maintenance. So, we have 1K here. Miscellaneous, 500. So, yan. Yung miscellaneous, hindi ko pa rin yan na set aside. Okay. So, I have a love funds. Yeah. So, for the love funds, it's 1, 5. Yan. Then, all good. So, with my food allowance, I'll just put here 2,500 kasi i-combine ko yung 2,500 tapos yung public transportation na 1K para meron akong 3,500 which is yung budgeted ko dito. So, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 900 lang ito. 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 1,000, 2,000. Ito. There. So, meron tayong allowance dito na 2,500. Okay. So, now for the birthday allowance. Birthday. So, still, I'll put this 1,500 na lang sa ating birthday funds ng anak ko. So, laki pa din yung kulang, guys. So, add mo lang ako ng 1,500. Ano tayo ngayon? Yeah. So, 1.5. Dapat 7.1. 7.1 lang yung kulang ko dito. Okay. Okay. So, nag-borrow ko dito ng 200. So, sauli ko lang muna, guys. Ah, 1,000. Sige. Change ko siya dito sa debt. Kasi yung sa debt, dami akong babayaran dyan. There go. So, yeah. Balik natin tong sa insurance na 3K. So, still naghahanap pa rin po ako ng insurance recommendation, guys. Life insurance at the same time investment. Yung friend ko, ni-recommend niya yung AXA, but if you have any tips about insurance, guys, just let me know kasi we're still looking or still naghahanap pa rin kami. And investment is gonna stay there. Okay. Alright. So, oh, I think I'm all good. So, I'll just gonna do, I have 200. So, saan ko ito ilalagay? I will check later. Okay. Dito na muna yan sa side. Or maybe, baka gusto kong ilagay sa birthday funds. Kasi yun yung kailangan. Kung pag-preparean, dapat i-prepare. Oh. So, cut here. So, 200. So, plus 200 pala ito. Plus 200. So, 27. So, 6,900 na lang ang kulang. Ay! Saan ako kukuha ng 6,900? Ay, naku. Baka mangyayari na naman ito. Kukuha na naman ako sa aking savings. Pero let's see. Kasi yung gagawin ko, guys, kasi yung birthday ng anak ko, sa mga hindi nakakalam, I decided to have him a Jollibee party. And then yung budget ko doon, it's 15,000. Nakapag-down payment na kami ng 6,000. But yung total calculation ko for the food, it's